Chinese electric vehicles are taking the world by storm. The International Auto Show in Chengdu, China, has just concluded and quickly established itself as one of the most significant events of the year. The Chengdu Motor Show 2024 attracted around 50,000 visitors and featured over 1,600 vehicles, with an exhibition area totaling 220,000 square meters. It's impossible to showcase all the fascinating models in a single video, so we've prepared a two-part series from the show. Here's the first part of our report, where we've gathered the most interesting cars from both Chinese and international automakers, so enjoy the show. The BYD booth once again drew a lot of attention from viewers. This year, the company showcased several new models at the auto show. One highlight was the Denza Z9, an innovative premium electric sedan developed jointly by the Chinese company BYD and the German automotive giant Daimler. The vehicle is equipped with an electric motor producing 544 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4 seconds. A key feature is its impressive range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance travel. The Denza Z9 offers a spacious and luxurious interior, crafted with premium materials and advanced comfort systems, including intelligent climate control and enhanced sound insulation. Additionally, the car is outfitted with the latest technologies, such as Level 3 autonomous driving and a modern multimedia system with a large touchscreen display. Another of the company's new offerings is the premium SUV Fangcheng Leopard 8. The Leopard 8 combines a powerful hybrid engine with luxurious design, focusing on comfort and advanced technology. Equipped with a PHEV system, this SUV delivers high power of around 680 horsepower, ensuring dynamic driving on any type of road. It can cover up to 200 kilometers on electric power alone and over 1,000 in combined mode, making it perfect for long journeys. The Leopard 8 features a spacious, high-end interior made with quality materials, along with an intelligent multimedia system with a large display. Geely has unveiled its latest and incredibly stylish crossover, the new Geely Link, created as part of a joint brand with Volvo and aimed at young tech-savvy drivers. This vehicle offers powerful hybrid and fully electric versions that combine performance with eco-friendliness. One of the standout features of the Link is its extensive use of advanced technologies, including an intelligent control system, a large touchscreen display, and various safety features such as adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance. The electric version of the Link & Co. boasts a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge, making it highly competitive in the electric vehicle market. Another incredibly interesting exhibit presented by Geely is the Galaxy, an innovative lineup of electrified vehicles that combines advanced hybrid and electric technologies with modern design and high performance. The Galaxy series vehicles offer a range of up to 700 kilometers and are equipped with an intelligent control system supporting Level 3 autonomous driving, as well as an innovative multimedia system with a large touchscreen and proprietary software integration. The vehicles can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4.5 seconds. With a spacious and premium interior, enhanced sound insulation, and smart driver assistance systems, the Geely Galaxy is designed for comfort, safety, and high performance. At the Chengdu Auto Show, South Korean luxury brand Genesis, a division of Hyundai, unveiled its new electric vehicle, the X-Speedium Coupe. The car features a sleek fastback silhouette with an elongated hood and muscular wheel arches. The rear is accented with a spoiler and diffuser, emphasizing its sporty character. Its unique grille design without the traditional mesh, along with hidden door handles and cameras replacing mirrors, underscores its futuristic appeal. Although Genesis hasn't revealed technical specifications, it's known that the X-Speedium Coupe was conceived not as a production model, but as a design exercise showcasing the direction of the brand's future electric vehicles. The 2025 Geely and Baidu GUA07 is another high-tech electric SUV created in partnership between Geely and Baidu, combining advanced autonomous driving technologies with powerful electric performance. The GU07 is equipped with an electric motor delivering up to 544 horsepower allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.2 seconds, with a battery range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. A standout feature of the GUA07 is the integration of Baidu Apollo's Level 4 autonomous driving technology, enabling semi-autonomous driving. This electric vehicle represents the future of autonomous and environmentally friendly vehicles, offering a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and innovation. SAIC unveiled its new electric roadster, MG Cyberster, at the exhibition. The Cyberster is built on the modular MSP platform, ensuring easy handling despite its weight of over 1,800 kilograms. There are two versions, a base model with 335 horsepower and a flagship version with two motors generating 536 horsepower, capable of accelerating to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The maximum speed is capped at 200 kilometers per hour, and the range varies from 400 to 500 kilometers depending on the version and driving conditions. The exterior design features electric scissor doors, sporty proportions, and aerodynamic details, while the interior includes 3 screens for the driver, creating a cockpit-like feel. The interior boasts high-quality materials and a modern multimedia system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto applications. American company General Motors showcased its fully electric SUV at the exhibition. This vehicle combines power and modern technology, offering up to 625 horsepower in a dual-motor configuration and accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The Hummer EV stands out with its off-road capabilities, featuring locking differentials, cameras for underbody viewing, protective skid plates, and a high ground clearance. The electric vehicle can cover up to 480 kilometers on a single charge, making it suitable for both urban and off-road trips. The interior of the Hummer EV is also impressive, featuring a large infotainment system screen and a removable roof, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and long journeys. The innovative electric sedan Dongfeng EP007 from the Chinese automaker Dongfeng was showcased at the exhibition in Chengdu. The model attracts attention with its futuristic design, featuring scissor doors, hidden handles, and an active rear spoiler that automatically adjusts based on the vehicle's speed. The car is available in both pure electric versions and a hybrid variant with an extended range. The most powerful model, equipped with 2 motors, produces 563 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.9 seconds. A 70 kilowatt-hour battery provides a range of up to 620 kilometers. For user convenience, fast charging is available, allowing the battery to recharge from 30 to 80% in just 26 minutes. GAC has also joined the spotlight, presenting its fully electric supercar, the Hyper SSR. This vehicle boasts an impressive 1,225 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds in its top-of-the-line Ultimate version. The base model accelerates in 2.3 seconds, which is equally impressive and places it alongside the world's top supercars. The Hyper SSR's body is crafted from carbon fiber, reducing weight and enhancing maneuverability. Inside, it features advanced technology, including a 14.6-inch touchscreen and an 8.8-inch driver display. The interior is made from eco-friendly materials, such as vegan leather and biodegradable fabric. With a maximum range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, the Hyper SSR combines incredible speed with everyday usability. Another new addition to the company's lineup is the Geely Zeekr 7X, a fully electric premium crossover developed as part of the Zeekr range. This vehicle combines an elegant modern design with a powerful electric system focused on high performance and eco-friendliness. The Zeekr 7X is equipped with a robust electric motor that delivers up to 536 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in approximately 4 seconds. It offers a range of up to 700 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to a battery capacity of around 100 kilowatt hours, while the fast charging system can restore up to 80% of its energy in 30 minutes. The Zeekr 7X's interior features premium materials and includes an innovative multimedia system with a large touchscreen, along with advanced safety features such as Level 2 autonomous driving and adaptive cruise control. Another premium electric crossover, the 2025 Huawei and Chery Luxeed R7 EV, was showcased at the exhibition. Developed in collaboration between tech giant Huawei and automaker Chery, this vehicle combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Its powerful electric motor delivers up to 700 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3.5 seconds. The Luxeed R7 also features a fast-charging system that can recharge up to 80% capacity in just 30 minutes. Inside, the Luxeed R7 offers a spacious and luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and technological innovations, including Huawei's proprietary Harmony OS control system. The Chinese brand Arcfox showcased its unique electric vehicle, the Kaola S, at the exhibition. Released in 2023, the Kaola S stands out as the first smart family car designed specifically for the comfortable transport of infants and children. Key features of the Kaola S include special child seats that can adjust positions for sleeping and are equipped with temperature sensors. The vehicle's air conditioning system automatically adjusts based on the child's condition and can recognize a baby's cry, activating calming music and soft lighting to create a soothing atmosphere. This electric vehicle has a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, powered by a 58.8 kilowatt-hour battery. It is equipped with a 163 horsepower motor and supports fast charging, making it not only family-friendly, but also a practical choice for city trips.